Hello everyone, and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Google Ads for lead nurturing. Let's get started. Google Ads is a powerful advertising platform that can help you reach your target audience and generate leads. While lead nurturing is a process of building relationships with potential customers and guiding them towards making a purchase. In this video, we will cover step-by-step instructions, examples, and detailed explanations to help you effectively use Google Ads for lead nurturing. But first, we need to understand what is Google Ads and lead nurturing. Google Ads is an online advertising platform where businesses can create and display ads across Google's vast network of websites and apps. Lead nurturing refers to the process of nurturing and guiding potential customers through their buying journey until they are ready to make a purchase. Google Ads can help you get leads by reaching your target audience, capturing their attention, and guiding them towards taking the desired action, such as signing up for a newsletter or requesting more information. Our first step is to define our campaign goals. Before we set up our Google Ads campaign, it is important to define your specific lead nurturing objectives. For example, let's say we will run a digital marketing agency and want to generate leads for your SEO services. Our campaign goal would be to drive conversions in the form of qualified leads who are interested in our SEO services. Step 2 is to set up our conversion tracking. Install Google Ads conversion tracking to measure the effectiveness of your lead nurturing campaigns. Suppose we have a contact form on our website. We can place a conversion tracking code on the thank you page that appears after someone submits the form. This code tracks when a user completes the desired action, in this case, submitting the form and becoming a lead. In example, we can use Google Ads conversion tracking code to track the number of users who successfully submitted the contact form and become leads by placing the code on the thank you page. Step 3, identify our target audience. It is important we determine our target audience based on the demographics, interests, and behaviors. If we offer a SEO services for a small business, our target audience may consist of small business owners or marketing managers. In Google Ads, we can create an audience based on this criteria and use it for targeting. The fourth step is to create a compelling ad copy. We need to write a persuasive ad headlines and descriptions that highlight the value of your offer and capture the attention of your target audience. It could be boost your website visibility with expert SEO services. Get a free consultation today. The headline grabs attention while the description emphasizes the benefits and includes a clear to call action. So we need to create an ad copy that emphasizes the benefits of our services, such as improving website visibility and offering a free consultation. So we can use compelling headlines and ad descriptions that encourages our users to take action. Step 5, designing engaging ad creatives. Creating visually appealing display or video ads that align with our brand and attract the attention of our target audience. We can include a strong call to action button like request a quote or learn more to encourage users to take the next step. Basically, we will design a display ad featuring before and after website screenshots, so showcasing the impact of your SEO services. It can include a call to action buttons so that we can entice our users to click in our ads. For the step 6 is to implement our remarketing. We need to set up remarketing campaigns to reconnect with users who have previously interacted with our website or ads. So we can target users who visited our websites but didn't submit the contact form. So we will create tailored ads that remind them of the benefits that they may have missed and provide an incentive to take action. Step 7, optimize your campaigns. So we need to monitor campaign performance by analyzing metrics like click-through rates or CTR, conversion rates, and and cost per conversion. Identify underperforming ads or audiences and make necessary adjustment to improve results. For example, we can analyze our campaign performance and identify any ads or targeting options that are not performing well. Then we will make adjustments such as rewriting ad copy, changing targeting criteria, or adjusting bids to optimize our campaigns for better results. Lastly, is to measure and refine. So we need to continuously measure the impact of our lead nurturing campaigns and also to continuously refine our strategies based on the data-driven insights. So we will use conversion tracking data, audience insights, and performance metrics to analyze or to optimize our future campaigns. By regularly reviewing our performance in our campaigns, we can analyze conversion data, audience behavior, and other metrics that will help us to refine our strategies. If we find certain keywords or ad placement drive better results, we can allocate more budget to those areas. So in conclusion, we need to remember that in defining our campaign goals, track conversions, with conversion tracking, we need to identify our target audience and create compelling ad copy and creatives. We also need to implement remarketing, optimize your campaigns based on performance metrics, and continuously measure and refine your strategies. By leveraging the power of Google Ads, you can effectively nurture leads and drive conversion for your business. And that's how we use Google Ads for lead nurturing. So if you like this kind of video and want to be updated for more, so please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for you to learn how to set up your Google Ads account, how to create ads, so you can watch our previous video in our channel. Thank you very much for watching.